there are three major reasons why people do not generally invest. Yes, people do not invest because of three reasons. Number one, because they are scared. They are scared of losing money, the fear of losing money. But I feel like this one also stems down from the fear, like you not understanding the investment. Because if you understand investment, a particular investment, you will not even be scared of losing your money. It's either you do it or you don't do it. Now, of course, you are a human being. At the end of the day, you will still have some form of fear, but at least you will know how to manage it because you now understand what you are doing. So the first reason is because fear of losing their money. Then the second reason is because they think that it requires a huge capital. Then the third reason why people do not generally invest is procrastination. Oh, I'm going to start next week. Oh, I'm going to start next week. Now let's deal with one of the reasons why people do not generally invest, which is thinking that you need a lot of money to start investing. You need just 5,000 naira to start investing. I've said it severally. Just 5,000 naira you can start investing. Now, let me mention some investment that you can use with just 5,000 naira. Number one, FGN savings bond. This one is backed up by the federal government of Nigeria. You can invest in federal government savings bond and you'll be getting interest on your money. Instead of you just leaving your money in a colo or in the bank account where you'll be earning 2 to 3%. Oh, do you understand what I'm saying? So you can invest your money into the FGN savings bond, and this is even low risk investment. Like this FGN savings bond is a low risk investment. Let me also tell you another investment you can do with just 5,000 naira. Mutual funds. You can invest in mutual funds. You don't need so much money to start investing in mutual funds. 5K you can start. Please don't tell anybody that I told you. But yes, while I was trying to invest in mutual funds, that was, I think it was yesterday or so, and I saw that you can actually start investing with 500 naira. I'm not joking with you. I'm talking about the money market fund. Okay, you can start investing with 500 naira. I saw it on Pampay. I was shocked. I was about to invest 20,000 naira. Then I entered like you understand now. I was still trying to complete the numbers, the digits. Then I said minimum investment 500 naira. And guess what? I did it. Look at it right here. 500 naira. You can start investing in mutual funds. What is your excuse? What is your excuse? Then the third investment that you can do with just 5,000 naira is investing in stocks. With 5,000, in fact, with 1,000 naira, you can invest in stocks. There's some stocks that cost less than 100 naira. I'm not even joking with you. You just need to understand this investment. Understand what this investment is all about. I don't know what to say again, but yes, you can start investing with 5,000 naira. What about high interest savings account with 5,000 naira? In fact, with some of them with 1,000 naira, if you can start saving and getting interest on your money. You don't need so much money to start investing. I think I need to be telling you, do not need so much money to start investing. With 5,000 naira, you can invest in so many types of investments. Do you understand? Especially if you're someone that is interested in consistent, like, there's some people that want to keep investing consistently. With 5,000 naira, you can start your journey. Do you understand? Don't wait until you have like 100,000 naira before you can start treasury. You can start with FGN savings bond. Don't wait till you have 5 million naira before you start commercial paper. You can start with investing in stocks. Do you understand? So these are investments that you can start even with as low as 5,000 naira. I hope I've been able to help you understand in this video that you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Do you understand? Just understand this investment, know what they entail, know the risk involved, understand it. And if you can even understand it, because like I said, you will not even if you are scared of losing your money, because as I'm investing in stocks, I'm also scared that, oh, anything could happen. But I now understand it. I understand it better. I know about the stock market. So I can, like, that fear is not there anymore. Like, it's not so much. Let me not say it's not there. It's not so much. Okay. Because I know how to, like, what to do. Do you understand? So understand the investment. And remember, this is not a financial advice. Please, it's not a financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purpose only and should not be considered as an investment advice. If every form of investment has its own risk, go do your own research. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.